welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nanglitum ke chini lo, ato kulat ke labang ke fair dihun lo, pakai fair dihun adung he nitti akulat amen ke BlinGzzz po collection में पिकान लगाएगा पकलाक को जो मैं पिका मुझे चलोन पिक लो जो collection है मैं पिका labang ke changing room lo
Akulat address ke rong theang difu
lagi iku pai phan ranam ipitangali lagi iku pai phan ranam ipitangali
John ni dress the BlinGzzz pen lo yang mi pikan collection ni pikan ni paklang tadi dresses hai ni pikan la red color na tu parke ako winter stock akini stock dal nila Durga Puja ko ta sale do ji so koda wartha na
This green kaftan dress is priced at rupees 700 only, which is really affordable.
dak BlinGzzz pen birthday dress nam dun elo pe nam ni birthday long dak pen sikit nam dress ji po nang tuhan paklang dun po
All the dresses on this rack are on sale. That is, the prices starts from rupees 300 onwards, which is a great catch for everyone. And after me and my cousin we were done with our shopping, we headed to our store BB Embroidery, and there I'll show you guys the new collection from our store. So keep watching.
Pikok hai paklang ko nito makula tong aprang ka no tingti pikok ni paklang no sita la so color ba kakimi jo non het sililang mi pika purple ning dok tum phan lo mi sen jo ni paklang ko mi pika purple pikok amang ke no tingti lo ta ke ni blouse ta paklang ko blouse ta hedi ape hai nang tum phat extra nang ji puta ni tum lang hang long full nang tum ari kidding roi ji puta roi mi lo ape ke pika jo para ke non ako ni paklang ko labang ke mugalong lo ador ke 6,500 para ke mugalong nang ne sita miramang nang ji pute broken long ta do mi pick anjo la surprise ke 4,000 amang langon lang mi pick in para ke wedding set long aki air pen white color mi pick an traditional damji pute in para ke la so color da mi pick anjo ni paklang pa makeup labang ke seleng no mungkin dia mana seleng jo full body putih langsung ni kita pakai putih dah dolap lo pakai api kopak lampu kamu son hai pikok mangke color separate lo ni kita lalu pikok ke pakai labang ke seleng lo ni kita pakai color separate tu lah. Good morning guys. Today it's my birthday. I'm having a small get-together with my friends and family. A small party, most probably. Anyway, I'm tired. The prank pen look eh. Kam claim long lo. And para ke non kopila kitun po. I'm gonna show you that. Paklampon po lang ha. I'm done with my shopping. At tumi lo nam lap lo kuan ma unke salami ta tunji po ala chumisen. Under one roof pen sinam lo. Pero labang ini to try long nilang non lom. Reels lang take long puman wander lo. In parke pasta tunji po. Pasta pen sausage.
And I'm planning to make pork bulgogi too. I wanted to try making it. But I had 4 ripe bananas. That's why I decided to make some banana cake. I'm just following a recipe from YouTube. Peel the bananas, smash it, and then add sugar to it. The quantity is up to you. Then I added a cup of refined oil. You can also use butter, that is up to you. And then proceeded to add an egg and then mix it well. This is your wet mix. And then now let's prepare the dry mix. For your dry mix, add baking soda and salt according to taste in maida. Don't ask me the quantity, you can definitely follow better recipes at YouTube. I just put how much I felt like putting. Now combine the dry and the wet mix together. After that, preheat the oven for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then finally you can pour in your mix and then bake it for about 15 minutes. Now for pork bulgogi, you can add onions, carrots, garlic and chilies, Abby's barbecue sauce, soya sauce, vinegar, tomato sauce, chili sauce. Mix it well, and then you can also add long coriander and sesame seeds to it. Combine it well, and then I marinated it for 6 hours and simply pan fried it. Now I'm making some Korean potato noodles. Firstly, boil the potatoes, mash it, and then add cornstarch to it. Give it a shape and then boil it again. Now let's quickly prepare the sauce. Add lots of garlic, chilies, onion, sweet corn, sesame seed and chili flakes to hot oil. Mix it well and your sauce is ready. Combine the sauce with the potato noodles, and the Korean potato spicy noodles is ready. Now I'll make some white sauce pasta. First I added butter, and once the butter melted, I added maida and started to whisk it. Then gradually you can add milk to it. Keep adding the milk in batch and mix it well. Once you get the consistency that you like, you can add grated cheese to it, some chili flakes and oregano. Now you can add in your pasta. And I didn't have time to make a video for this red sauce pasta. I made it with sausage. It was really yum.
We're done with our makeup. Makeup tangin na si Tanon ke ang ibang laplo pa makeup ta velo because of decoration attack mati. Imparga attack damre mat nang ke lako lando. Imparga now I'll show you guys my mom. Hi lagi mami lo. Imparga dati ni cutie python lay lagi nang men. Imparga lang pake. Nang men ang kanon. Limbi vet han sepi buta. Han sepi buta.
Cipi cipi lo.
Oh punang ni luma. Okay. Perché nang men ko pilonte. Okay, rimbi vet. Han sepi kalima. Han sepi kalama kali. Kali? Han sepi kalima.
Cipi limbi kali ke.
Hindi ko pilo. Rimbi vet tot manang men ko.
Bawa tak dobo.
Yes, do. Di? Oh, kailangan. Now I'll go up to cut the cake. Non kang cake. Yes. Mami Bear. Impai ke lang bom tha. Kopi lo kitun hai ke paklang pon po. Say hi babies. Hi puno he. Nagunda hi puno. Okay. I love you bukan kisi bilang. Okay. Chalo. Langon mati. Kaso na dyan ang attack ng bomb lo, attack asin paklang po.
Ni JP sa sila si decoration klempi lang miyo ano.
The eight, hi. Boys gang. Hi, hi.
Hi.
Okay, bye. Oh, balik kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dearly Sanjay. Happy birthday to you. Nabubo naman. Okay, puto mo man. Biya na yun.
I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby. Just say yes. You'll save me